Howdy folkses, VileMike here, and I have Mrs. Vile off camera. She got me another Kinder Egg. This is one of the Minions ones, I think, based on the design. So let's see what's inside. You want to crack it open? Here. Here, I'm going to let you hold the chocolate while I open this part up. See what the toy is. Yep, definitely a Minion, and that is looks like a lot of little parts. Holy crap. Holy crap, this is like a lot of parts. And this is where I'm going to cut, and it's going to be complete.
Assemble the minions!
And through the magic of editing, apparently it's a Minion riding a cart. This is from the Minions movie.
Hello, Peanut?
Oh, yes, please.
I don't think I've seen the movie. So,
What?
I'll put it on the store eventually. Anything you want to say, babe?
No.
Alright, in that case, I'll see you later, folkses.